Letter number 17. The. Not the. The. Like a thick the. Like someone with an accent, this and that. It also looks like ta, like a swan with a straight neck, only with the dot. The difference here is a dot above that ta, which makes it the. Example, dhabi, which means a deer or an antelope. This is why the capital of the United Arab Emirates is called Abu Dhabi. I know it's pronounced in English Abu Dhabi, but originally it's called Abu Dhabi. Now there are so many stories about the name of the city, but they all involve either a deer or deers. Some say that there were so many deers there. And you can Google the reason and you'll find so many stories. I couldn't find which one is the original anyway. Now the word Abu, this one, Abu, in Abu Dhabi, like for example, Abu, you're gonna hear it a lot in Arabic. It actually means father of or someone or something with, a male of course. Now it is common for a father to be called Abu followed by the name of his first birth, like Abu Sami, for example. In the supermarkets, you might see so many brands with Abu in them, like this Abu al-Walad cheese, for example. It's called that because it has a picture of a walad, which is a boy on it. Search for other products as a practice and try to find what their names mean. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment. See you in the next video.